Rain pelting leaves, a relentless percussion. Visual. Trees loom like dark monoliths, thick branches trembling under the torrent. Raindrops, needle-sharp and gleaming, slice through the dim. Shadows undulate across mossy bark. The forest breathes in torrential rhythms. Each drop a pulse, each gust a whisper. Under this silvery assault, the ancient wood seems alive, quivering with every thunderous heartbeat. Emphasize sensory detail. The acidic scent of wet leaves, the metallic hum of water hitting bark. A narrow, muddy trail winds through dark trunks. Faint flickers of lightning punctuate the gloom, momentarily illuminating snaking roots. Puddles reflect a fractured sky. Tracks along the trail, rain hazing the lens, cuts to dripping leaves. Water gathering at tips, then plummeting in slow motion, distant owls hoot. Rain's continuous drumming. Within this intimate chaos, a soft, expectant hush lies beneath the storm. Like a held breath before a revelation,